dad left me a locked box with one instruction. Do not open this until you're completely alone. He passed away 2 weeks later. At first I thought it was just sentimental stuff, but when I finally opened it, there was no money. No jewelry, just an old photograph, and a handwritten note. The note said, "The man you grew up calling your uncle is not your uncle." I froze. Then I found a second envelope with an address. I went there the next morning. An elderly man opened the door. The moment he saw my face, he started crying. He said, "You look exactly like your father." Then he told me the truth. My dad had discovered years ago that this man was actually his biological father, but there was more. My dad had spent his entire life searching for him, and finally found him just months before he died. The box wasn't meant to reveal a family secret. It was meant to give me something my dad never had, a chance to know where I came from, and inside the final envelope was one last message. "Son, I spent my life looking for answers. I hope you spend yours making memories." That night I realized, sometimes the greatest inheritance isn't money, it's the truth.